Welcome to another episode of Everyday Mechanic. Today I'm going to show you how to visually check your brakes to see if how much life you've got left in them and what you should be looking for. So if I take you down here, okay, so if you look inside the wheel, most cars you put a wheel trim off or take the wheel off if you really need to. But what we've got here, this is your brake disc. Yeah, so this is the brake disc. Check for a bad lip on this edge, any pitting, if it's rotten, rusty, big chunks, you know, if it just looks horrible, then it's time to get them changed. And if we go down here, this is your brake pad. Now these are the important things. So when you see the brake pads, you got this edge here, which is the metal part of the pad, and you got this part here, which is your friction material. And if you see now, if you look right in close, you will see there's plenty of friction material on this car. That bit there, friction material, that is the back of the pad. So these brakes are healthy, and this is what we want to see when we're looking at our brakes. If this friction material is worn right down, the pad here will be really close to the disc, the back of the pad, the middle, and then it's time to get them changed. Yeah, and that's just a simple visual look at that. The other good indication that your pads are worn or your discs are worn and your brakes need changing all round is to look at your brake fluid reservoir, because what will happen is as your brakes wear down, your fluid level will drop. So if you just have a look at the level of your brake fluid reservoir, if that's quite low, there's a good chance your brakes are worn. So yeah, that's another thing you can do. That's it, just a quick brake check. Keep it simple.